Hi. The partial solar eclipse on October 25, 2022 is the next event after the sun did something to frighten mankind. This is the sequence of consecutive events of the sun to warn humanity to change, not to continue to commit crimes and wars. I hope that after the series of warning events of the sun in October 2022, humanity will wake up and change to fight evil and corruption in society. Lying, greed for money, lust is serving the devil. Be strong to fight evil, fight fear within yourself. Thank you.
By Connie from South Florida.
Hi, did you know the calamities of the past 2 months? Earthquakes, volcanic eruptions, extreme weather. These are warnings for the whole of humanity, from elites to ordinary people in all countries. The warnings in the past 2 months to help humanity wake up not to continue to sin. Lying, greed for wealth and lust is serving the devil. But humanity is still increasing crime and war. So in the next 6 days the sun will do something that scares the whole world. CERN has found evidence of fourth, fifth dimension. This means that there are many higher universes coexisting around us. God is real, God is true. Yes is yes, no is no. God does not like flattery and weakness. God is watching everyone's actions. If God leaves, then this world will be destroyed by evil. If those in control would just tell the truth and let go of power, they'll see sights you've never seen before. I hope you change and stop sinning. Fight the evil within yourself. You join me against the abortion law, Roe v. Wade, to save the world from destruction when evil comes. You all know right and wrong. You also know abortion is killing children from the womb. Let's inspire strong and responsible life to everyone. We need to resist tyranny and rule over people. We are against unjust oppression. We need to fight those who hurt and hurt their people while defending pedophilia, abortion, sex trade, lewdness. Life is not for everyone. A gift only for the one who deserves it. Share it with everyone. Thank you. You should worship and glorify only one Creator. The Creator is Cosmic, who created you and all things. Cosmic has only one Creator. Ask your Creator to forgive you for the mistakes you have made against the will of the Creator. The Creator does not forsake anyone to return to the Creator. My prayers go to those who are being raped, persecuted, tortured by traffickers, those who are facing a cruel fate, those that no media outlet is talking about. I also pray for children who are being abused in the womb, who think their baby is an animal from the moment they are in the womb. She wants to destroy it.